It's what the man has. And I know this man has it. I'm serious. Now, we gotta quit laughing about this.
I can't. I'm sorry.
No, honey. We are very serious because you have grasps. My heart is just pulsating because you are so awesome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh my goodness gracious. Don't be embarrassed. Don't. Please don't. Because, you know, fate, we cannot fight fate. Honey, don't be embarrassed. I know you're trying to fight this off, but guess what? You have the smoothest arms I've ever seen in a man. Wow! How are your legs? Are your legs that smooth? Tell me. No, let me check them. Let me check them. Honey, don't get nervous. See, you know, oh, I love yours. Honey, you. Let me kiss you. Did I hurt you? Did I hurt you? Honey, did I hurt you?
No.
Do you like it? Be honest. Yes! Honey, I wouldn't hurt you. Darling, don't fight it. Don't fight it. God, if you just give me one kiss. One kiss. Come on. Come on. Come on.
No. No. No.
No! Cassie!
No.
It's all go outside.
This is bad.
Yes.
Oh, God. You take it? Oh, you guys are bad. You didn't.
No, we just got more pictures.